Good day and welcome to the weekly weather briefing for Monday, January 23rd, 2017. Here's the outline for the week's weather ahead, and it looks more benign than last week. The region will see an upper level ridge of high pressure slowly move into the region. Before it does, light snow showers are likely over North Idaho tonight on through Thursday. This will be followed by drier weather into the weekend. Low clouds and freezing fog will be a concern across much of the lowlands of eastern Washington. The ridge of high pressure is forecast to weaken by Sunday into Monday, with mainly mountain snow to the north. Here's the 7-day temperature and precipitation outlooks for Spokane and Wenatchee. Notice how daytime highs will struggle to get above freezing. And in North Idaho, here are the 7-day temperature and precipitation outlooks for Sandpoint and Lewiston. Snow showers are possible through midweek, and temperatures in the LC Valley will creep above freezing almost every day. Northerly flow aloft will be over the region with weak ripples in the flow. Light snow showers will be focused over North Idaho tonight through Thursday. Total snow amounts will be light, with 1 to 2 inches possible in the mountains and less than an inch in the valleys. The snow will taper off late Thursday. As high pressure settles in, low-level inversions will set up with plenty of moisture. This will lead to low clouds and fog and reduced visibilities. With most temperatures below freezing, slick conditions are possible, and the most challenging times will be during the late night and early morning hours. So anticipate slower travel, especially during the morning commutes. With no big changes in the weather pattern, these weather conditions are likely to persist for much of the week. There is enough wind that stagnant air issues are not likely, at least for the first half of the week. Rhyming is a concern with the low clouds and fog, especially how it accumulates on power lines. We have seen this back in 2014 and 2009. Looking back at the January 2009 event, the Spokane area was solidly in the 20s and teens for over a week for the significant rhyming to take place. At this time, the likelihood of this reoccurring is low. Flooding issues are also low. Most streams and rivers are receding with the drier weather and colder temperatures. Small streams are still running with ice chunks flowing free, but this should slow early this week. Meanwhile, main stem rivers are not expected to be a problem at this time. There is a chance that the ridge of high pressure will weaken by Sunday into Monday and bring some light snow to the Cascades and northern mountains. Confidence on the timing of this feature and its amounts are low. The ridge of high pressure is forecast to return. The cold and snowy weather over the past weeks has helped to increase the snow water equivalent in the mountains. The Cascades look to be doing quite well with near 100% of normal. More improvement is needed in North Idaho, where percentages are lagging to near 75% of normal. Temperatures for next week will continue to be colder than normal, and the chances for precipitation are expected to be right around normal for late January. Despite the presence of the ridge of high pressure, light precipitation is still possible. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining in, and please stay up to date with our current Spokane forecast throughout the week. And we'll chat again with you next Monday.